Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today our topic is past continuous tense. So what is the identification of past continuous tense? In the end of Urdu sentences there comes raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the, rahi thi, etc. Okay. So let's see the example. Amna namaz पढ़ रही थी and बच्चे खेल रहे थे. So here you can see रही थी and रहे थे. Okay, which shows that this is the past continuous tense. So let's see the positive sentences. What is the formula of positive sentences? First of all, we will choose subject, then was or were. We will choose according to the subject, was or were. Then with the first form of verb, we will add ing and then object. Okay, let's first see the important points. Okay, students, these are the important points. Was and were will be used with these subjects. So if this was will be used with I, he, she and it, and were will be used with you, we and they. So students, let's see the example number 1. वो हॉकी खेल रहा था. So वो is used for he, for she and for they. So how we understand that we have to use here he or she or they. So let's see वो हॉकी खेल रहा था. You can see that they are talking about about one boy. Okay, so for boys we use he, and with he, she, it, I told you, and I we will use was, as I told you in important points. So he was, and then we will use the verb. Verb is play here, खेल, play, and with the first form of verb we will add ing, playing, and what is the object over here? Hockey. So he was playing hockey. And the next is बच्चे भाग रहे थे. बच्चे, this is बच्चे mean children. So this is our subject, and with children are so students, for children we use they. Okay, so they with they we will use the helping verb were. So they were, so it means children were, and then we will use भाग को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं run. So we will use running. Okay, children were running. Okay, next one is negative sentences. So what is the formula of negative sentences? Subject, then we will use was not or were not according to the subject, and then we will use with the first form of verb we will add ing and then object. So example number 1, वो हॉकी नहीं खेल रहा था. So students, both of these are same, just we add नहीं. Okay, there is only one word added, not. So for this word we will use not. Okay, the other same, there is the same example. वो हॉकी खेल रहा था, वो हॉकी नहीं खेल रहा था, we use नहीं. Okay, which shows that this is the negative sentences. So same to same we will make it like we make the positive sentences. So just we will add not after the helping verb. So he, subject is he, and with he we will use was. He was not, and play, playing. This is the verb खेल. So playing, with the first form of verb we will add ing, playing, and then object hockey. The next one is बच्चे भाग नहीं रहे थे. The same example as I told you in the positive sentences. So same to same, after helping verb you will add not. Okay, so children were, with children we will use were. Children were not, and then running. This is the verb. Okay, next interrogative sentences. So what is the formula of interrogative sentences? We will first of all, in the very beginning of the sentence we will write the helping verb was or were, and according to the subject, and then subject, then same with the first form of verb we will add ing and then object, and in the end question mark. So in Urdu sentences the interrogative sentences started with this word kya, and in the end question mark. Okay, this is the identification of interrogative sentences. So क्या वो हॉकी खेल रहा है? Okay, so first of all we will see वो हॉकी खेल रहा है. They are talking about he. So with he what we use? We will use was. So was will come with the very first. So was he, and then again play with the first form of verb ing, playing, and then object hockey, and in the end question mark. Second one is क्या बच्चे भाग रहे हैं? Children. First of all we will see that they are talking about children. So with children we will use were. So were will come in the sentence first. So were children, and then भाग रहे हैं, भाग, run, running, and in the end question mark. Okay students, do practice of this tense. Take care, love.